If you're considering dental implants, understanding the full clinical journey is key. It's more than just a replacement, it's a permanent solution for your oral health. The process begins with advanced 3D digital planning. We use CBCT scans to map your jaw's anatomy with sub-millimeter precision, ensuring the most accurate and safe placement possible. Once the plan is set, a biocompatible titanium post is surgically placed. This post acts as an artificial root, providing a strength that dentures simply can't match. Over the following months, osseointegration occurs. This is where your living bone cells grow into the titanium surface, effectively locking the implant into place. This fusion is vital because it stimulates the jawbone, preventing the bone loss that naturally occurs after a tooth is missing, thus preserving your facial structure. After healing, a connector abutment is attached, followed by your custom-crafted porcelain crown. It's designed to look, feel, and function exactly like a natural tooth. Maintaining your implant is as simple as brushing and flossing. With proper care, these dental restorations can last a lifetime, providing unparalleled stability and comfort. Beyond just aesthetics, dental implants restore your bite force by up to 70%, allowing you to enjoy all your favorite foods without worry or discomfort. A complete smile is more than just aesthetics. It's about your overall well-being. Book a consultation today to start your journey toward a permanent, healthy smile.